Welcome to this tutorial on saving NumPy arrays using np.save. In this video, you'll learn how to efficiently save your arrays to binary.npy files, which is one of the most common ways to store NumPy data. np.save is a NumPy function that saves a single array to a binary file in .npy format. The key benefits are that it's fast, efficient, and preserves your array's data type and shape perfectly. This means when you load the array back later, it will be exactly as you saved it, with no loss of precision or information. The basic syntax of np.save is simple. It takes two main parameters, file and a RR. The file parameter is the file name or file object where you want to save your array, and a RR is the array you want to save. That's all you need to get started. Let's look at a simple example. First, we import NumPy as np, then we create an array containing the numbers 1 through 5. Finally, we save this array to a file called my_array.npy using np.save. The array is now stored on disk and can be loaded later. Here's a helpful tip. NumPy automatically adds the .npy extension if you don't provide it. So if you write np.save with just the file name data, NumPy will create a file called data.npy. This makes your code cleaner and prevents mistakes. np.save works with all types of arrays. You can save two-dimensional arrays like matrices, floating point arrays with decimal values, and even boolean arrays containing true and false values. Each array type is preserved exactly with its original data type and structure. Let's review the key advantages of using np.save. First, speed. The binary format enables fast read and write operations. Second, precision. It preserves the exact data type and array shape. Third, efficiency. You get compact storage with no data loss. And fourth, compatibility. The files work seamlessly across different NumPy versions. To summarize, np.save provides fast and efficient binary storage for NumPy arrays. It automatically handles the .npy extension and preserves all array metadata, including shape and data type. In the next video, we'll learn how to load these saved arrays back using np.load. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.